One kitchen appliance that's been around for years and years is the trash compactor. Now, some people think this is the greatest invention ever for the kitchen, but others might be just a little skeptical. Well, if you're one of those folks, you might just change your mind when you see what Braun Newton's done in the redesign of this trash compactor. Well, you know, one concern a lot of people have is the odor that you may have by using a trash compactor because you're keeping the trash in your kitchen for a little longer. Well, you don't have to worry about that with this system. It's an odor control system, and what it does is each one of these little sections of this wheel will last up to a month. So you have 6 of them here, so after 6 months you take this out, throw it away, and put you another one in, and that takes care of that problem. You even have a place to store your bags right in here. But the real beauty of a trash compactor is the ability for it to compress the trash that you have in your house. Actually, in one container in a trash compactor, you can put up to 6 large garbage bags worth of trash. Think about how nice that is in reducing the amount of trash going to our landfills. Now, another thing you're able to do on this one is, of course, just close the door, push the button, and 3,000 pounds of pressure will press down to compress all that trash you have in your house. And think about it, if you're taking trash out 6 times a week, now you're only taking it out 1 time a week. And to make sure that it blends in with the rest of your kitchen, it's available in stainless steel, black, white, any type of custom wood, and as you can see with the tile work here, you can put just about anything on your trash compactor.